Alright guys, got you on the tripod. December 31st, it's New Year's Eve. So it's nice out, as you can see in my background here, but it's chilly. For us, it's 48. So I haven't been doing any videos. I've been working a lot. Because of this rain, I've been working 12-hour days, 12 to 16-hour days. But I ended up getting some parts for the truck, and we're going to work on that. I've done some work to it already. I ended up putting new brake rotors in already, and as you can see, I upgraded the steering wheel. Get a zoom in. So nothing real fancy, but as right now we are going to do safety seat belts. So we're going to work on that. I think in right about here, I already have it marked. That's where that's going to go. And then, of course, I think these are pretty much the same. It's going to go there. And then I'm going to mount this like that. So it's kind of back in that little cubby hole where the gas tank used to be. And it's retractable. And then I'll mount that. Of course, I'll pull the seat forward. And I also have here is a center seat belt. So I'm going to work on that. Had to buy some more bolts. Empty box. So I got that done. So I want to get the seat belts in it before I get the carpet in it. I haven't ordered the carpet yet. That's next. Then once I order the carpet, I won't put that in until I order the seat cover as well, because I don't want to pull the seat out 2 or 3 times. I just want to do it once. So that's where it's at. And I haven't driven the truck. It's been sitting here for almost a month, just over a month since my last driving video you guys saw. And then I'm not really concerned about the side windows right now because it sits in the garage, and in the summertime it just, well, you're going to have the windows down anyway. So yeah, brake rotors are done. Steering wheel's done. I'll work on seat belts right now. So I will get back to you here in a minute when I get some more done. Like I said, you guys are on the tripod, so I'm going to pause you and then get some drilling done and see how this works out. So, alright, hang tight. Alright, so this is how I'm doing it. I already checked underneath for spacing here. See, I just pretty much set the washer closest to the body line there. And then I'll go ahead and take my pin and I'll mark it. Doesn't have to be exact, but close enough, right? And what I'll do, that way everything underneath is clear of obstructions. Okay. Oh, I didn't open the other box yet. So anyway, this will be up underneath it. I'll get the bolt and stuff. So, hey, be right back. All right, so I run the bolt, the washer here. And then this goes underneath. Oh, there it is. 5/8. Let me get the bolt started underneath here. I think I needed that. It's nice using the camera and actually kind of see what I'm doing by using the screen. And that's kind of cool. Actually helps out. I just look in the viewfinder and I can look at and see what I'm doing here. Now the hard part's going to be getting behind the seat and then underneath. Just stay on there. There we go. Is it still square? Yep. Alright, now I'll get the seat belt. Some more bolts. Grab the short ones. I'm using all grade 8 hardware for this. Not real exciting, and they're nuts and bolts. Right, we've all seen it a million times. Hope everybody has a safe new year. Tight. There we go. Perfect. Now I just have to figure out to get inside behind the seat. We'll figure that out, do the measurements, drill the holes, and we'll get back to you. Alright guys, see you in a bit. There we go. Alright, let me show you where I'm at here. I got it all done. So this is it here. Climb back here. You can see them all mounted there. There's that one over there. And then I've got that one. They're mounted on that L bracket. And then, yeah. Got them all bolted in. Next thing you know, I'm going to do, I got to probably patch those holes. And then carpet, seat cover, headliner. Where are they at? There's one. There's two. Seat belts. It's going to be a gray interior. So, use some of these flat washers here. And then lock washers, grade 8 bolts, grade 8 nuts. That's leftover hardware from the hardware store. But yeah, there we go. It's in. Seat belts and steering wheel. Yeah, see, that's what the top of the steering wheel looks like. A lot better than the other one I had in it. And then the underside's all aluminum. The $80 steering wheel from LMC truck. That was pretty good. Not too bad. I gotta get that window stuff out of here before I break it even more. But anyway, that's all I have for today. Like I said, Happy New Year's. Yeah, be safe. Hope everybody does good. And Dave's Cage, I got his Christmas card. I appreciate the Christmas card. Alright guys. Maybe I'll do a startup video. This has been sitting for just over a month. So I was going to maybe do a startup video, and maybe we'll end it with that. But I'll get back to you when I get some of this stuff cleaned out. Alright. Alright, here we go. See if it'll start.